Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily advertise your rental property on Zillow to attract potential tenants. First, head over to Zillow Rental Manager and you will use your existing Zillow account to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one. Now once you are logged in, click on add a rental property. Here you will start entering key details about your property like rent, price, security deposit, and basic property info like square footage, number of bedrooms, and bathrooms, etc., and your preferred lease duration. Next, list the amenities your property offers. You can choose from a variety of options like laundry availability, parking, and whether pets are allowed. So, if you have specific pet policies, this is where you can provide more details. So, now write a detailed property description. This is your chance to highlight any upgrades or features that will make your property stand out. Be sure to include any aspects that will catch a renter's eye. Adding photos is crucial. At least 10 high quality image for the property, both interior and exterior. You can also use the Zillow 3D Home app to capture a virtual tour, giving renters an immersive experience. And don't forget to add captions to showcase those features. Now, let me quickly talk about this one, which is tour availability. For in-person showings, you can always set your preferred tour availability days. This lets renters know when they can visit the property. Next, provide your contact information, including your name, email, and phone number. If it's a first-time listing, Zillow will verify your phone number for security. You can choose whether to display your number on the listings. Then review all the information you have entered. If everything looks good, click on publish. Your listings will be live on Zillow, Trulia, and Hotpets almost immediately. And that's all there is to it. Zillow also lets you accept rental application directly from your listing, and you can even upload and sign leases online. It's a complete solution from listing to collecting rents. Thanks for watching and good luck with your rental listing.